See, the first thing, the step 1 in your preparation is coverage of syllabus. Okay, the first thing is coverage of syllabus. Okay, now I'll divide this into two parts. One is plus and the other is free user. Okay, so whenever Yahan beta, I actually don't know much about instrumentation, I don't know the strategy, so that is why I won't be misguiding you, right? I can tell you anything that I want to, but I don't want to misguide you. And one more thing guys, I am seeing the number of likes are very less, so please like the video. If you are liking the strategy, the content that I am telling, please like the video. See, when we talk about plus users guys, so they will follow one batch completely, and free users follow YouTube live or recorded classes. Okay, you can watch YouTube live and recorded. So guys, one thing that we need is an entire schedule. So here schedule is same as batch. Schedule here will remain same as the batch. But guys, here you need to form a schedule. Okay. Now, how do you form this schedule, sir? How do we form? It is based on number of videos. Suppose you start watching my machines lecture. Okay, suppose you start watching my machine lecture. There are 117 lecture. So you can try and understand how many videos can you cover in a single day. Then based on that idea, how many videos you can cover in a single day, you can decide number of videos that you have to watch in a single day and the number of days that you need to cover this. Okay, so one thing that you need is number of videos total, then how much can you watch per day, based on this you will calculate number of days. So that is the easiest way of forming a strategy. I won't say one day is equal to one lecture. I don't say that. One day is not equal to one lecture, my dear. One day is equal to multiple lectures, so that the number of days are less. Okay. So plus students will follow one batch. Okay, their schedule will remain same as batch. Now the next thing that you need to worry about is the practice. Now notes and practice. See, notes are given to both YT students as well as plus students. Okay, notes are available for YT and plus both, right? We are giving notes to both type of students. Now what about practice? Now the plus student can practice from DPP, from previous year question bank, that is also available on plus, and the question bank. There is a separate question bank. Okay, what about the YT students? They can practice using lectures में बेटा जो क्वेश्चन कराते हैं, whatever questions we solve. Special classes, there are special classes for questions, or some study material. If you have some study material available with you, you can also use that. Otherwise, guys, we solve a lot of problems on YouTube as well as in the special classes. बेटा सबका तो क्रैश कोर्स करा रखा है, सबका तो करा रखा है. कहां? मशीन और पावर सिस्टम, machine, power system, power electronics. I have done all crash courses on YouTube as well as Plus. Okay, so this is your practice material. This is your practice material. Now, the step 3. The step 3 is test series. Okay. Now this test series contains multiple things: part test, subject test, mock test. This you can also call as chapter test. Okay, this you have to give after covering each chapter. बेटा जैसे जैसे एक एक चैप्टर खत्म होता जाएगा ना, ये लगाते चलना. मीन्स कंबाइन विद स्टेप 1 and 2. कंबाइन विद 1 and 2. नाउ दिस सेकेंड सब्जेक्ट टेस्ट आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ अ सब्जेक्ट. अभी मैं बताता हूं प्लस और यूट्यूब वालों के लिए अलग अलग. ठीक है, अभी मैं अलग अलग भी बता रहा हूं. बेटा रुक जाओ, पहले समझ लो कि कौन सा टेस्ट कहां देना है. एंड दिस मॉक टेस्ट यू हैव टू गिव, लेट अस से आफ्टर November 2021. No need to give before that. Okay, no need to give before that. Is that clear? अब बात को समझना यार. प्लस वाले बच्चे पूछेंगे सर हमें कहां से देना है टेस्ट, यूट्यूब वाले पूछेंगे सर हमें कहां से देना है. बेटा देखो, अगर इफ यू आर नॉट ज्वाइनिंग एनी कोर्स, इफ यू आर नॉट ज्वाइनिंग एनी कोर्स, देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, you can purchase a test series or you can try the free test series that are available in the market. Like in Unacademy also we run free test series. In other platforms also there are free test series. But you can purchase any test series from the market in order to get the better content. Now when I talk about Plus users, there we have a special feature called as weekly quizzes. Okay, there I conduct a quiz every Sunday. So that is weekly quiz. So that will help you as a chapter test. Because every 6 days, after every 6 days, there will be a quiz. So whatever we have covered on Plus in the 6 days, we can watch or we can attend that quiz in order to check whether or not we have covered it in the correct manner. The second thing is, why do I take weekly quizzes on Plus? The reason is because sometimes in the pressure of that quiz, students tend to prepare that subject very, very well. Because they know that a quiz is going to be conducted, we need to be ready with all the concepts. So that maintains your consistency. Okay. The next thing is the revision. Okay. This you can do via crash courses for both Plus and YouTube. This will be done via crash courses for both Plus and YouTube. Okay, so that is the next thing. So guys, we have the 4 elements of our preparation. When I talk about covering the concepts, that is again available on YouTube as well as Plus. YouTube you have to watch certain recorded videos, but in Plus, in the form of a batch, you can cover the entire syllabus with us. Now sir, shall I watch recorded video or shall I attend live classes? What should be the strategy? Okay, what should be the strategy? So what is the major difference here? In a live class, you know at what time that class is going to be conducted. So that way you have to just attend that class at that particular time. But when we talk about recorded lecture, you have to make your own schedule. You have to be self-motivated to sit at that particular time, watch that particular video, and you don't get that feeling that other people are also studying with you. तो बेटा वो फील ही नहीं आएगा ना कि आप एक ग्रुप का हिस्सा हो, बाकी लोग भी पढ़ रहे हैं और आपको उनसे compete करना है. But when we talk about live classes, there you get a feel that other people are also there. Some people are doing really better than you, so you get to compete on a daily basis with all those students and prove yourself. That is the major part. तो बेटा आपको ना खुद को रोज प्रूव करना पड़ता है against everybody else, and that keeps you motivated. But when we are studying with the recorded content, then what happens? Then we are not able to track our performance, whether others are doing better than us, others are running faster than us. Am I lagging with respect to the other students? So that is the major concern. Recorded is helpful for those who already have a certain level of basic and they want to go at a higher speed as compared to the regular speed, because they can speed up the video when it comes to a recorded lecture, but you can't ask the educator to go faster. So if you are that kind of a student, recorded suits you better. But if you are somebody that lacks that motivation, if you are somebody that likes to compete with everybody else and get motivated and then perform in the best manner possible, then my dear, live classes are better for you. DPP means daily practice paper. It is a kind of assignment that I give when I take plus classes to the students, which they solve at their own, and then next day we discuss the solution of those questions. So that way they daily get a homework, or every 2 days they get a homework, and based on that their preparation runs in sync with the entire class. Okay. Anjali beta dekho, it entirely depends. Many people are worried, shall we take subscription before gate 21 or 20 or after gate 21? So beta, it depends on your preparation. If your preparation is running very good and you are hopeful for getting a great rank in gate, then you should wait till the gate exam becomes over or the gate exams takes place. But if you know that 2020 is just for practice, 21 is just for practice, the main aim is 2022, then I believe you should join right now. Because my dear, there is no point in delaying, because the time that you lose, suppose I delay it by 15 days. Okay. Suppose I take 4 hours of study per day. That means we lose 60 hours. Okay. 60 hours can mean a subject like EDC, a subject like measurement, a subject like power electronics, a subject like network, a subject like digital. Okay. You can cover any of the subject in these many hours. So are you understanding my point? The time that you are losing, convert that into the number of subjects that you are dealing as compared to other people that are out there. Zakir plus students don't need to purchase any book. Whatever we teach in the class notes are sufficient. Whatever questions you get, that is also sufficient. You don't need to go after any book.